fall warmth. Soft pumpkins, rustic textures, and gentle autumn colors create a celebration that feels sweet, welcoming, and full of seasonal magic.
Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started.
What table decor fits a little pumpkin theme? Use linen runners, mini pumpkins, candles, and soft greenery centerpieces. Keeping centerpieces low allows guests to talk easily while enjoying the decor. Table ready? Like this, if rustic elegance excites you. Why is the little pumpkin theme so popular for baby showers? Pumpkins symbolize warmth, harvest, and new beginnings, making them perfect for celebrating a baby. The theme combines seasonal charm with soft, family-friendly decor that feels cozy and joyful. Love cozy fall celebrations? Like this, if pumpkin themes win. What makes a little pumpkin baby shower memorable? The combination of cozy autumn colors, sweet pumpkin accents, and thoughtful details creates a celebration that feels warm and heartfelt. Feeling the charm? Like this if it feels unforgettable. What party favors match the little pumpkin theme? Mini pumpkin candles, pumpkin spice treats, or small succulents make thoughtful keepsakes that guests will enjoy long after the event. Favors picked? Like this if meaningful gifts matter. What dessert table ideas fit this theme? Decorate with pumpkin-shaped cookies, mini pies, and themed cupcakes. Use wooden stands and neutral serving trays to keep the display cohesive. Dessert table ready? Like this if sweet details matter. What colors work best for a fall pumpkin baby shower? Muted orange, cream, sage green, dusty peach, and warm beige create a balanced autumn palette. These tones feel seasonal while keeping the baby shower soft and welcoming. Palette chosen? Like this if warm tones feel perfect. What balloon decorations work for this theme? Organic balloon garlands in cream, peach, sage, and soft orange match the autumn palette beautifully. Natural colors keep the setup warm yet modern. Balloon goals? Like this, if soft clusters shine. What activities work for a pumpkin baby shower? Guests can decorate mini pumpkins or write wishes for the baby on pumpkin-shaped cards. Simple activities keep the mood relaxed and joyful. Activities planned? Like this if interactive fun wins. Can pumpkins be used without looking too Halloween-like? Yes. Choose white, cream, or pastel pumpkins instead of dark Halloween colors. Pair them with florals or greenery to keep the look soft and baby-friendly. Soft pumpkin style? Like this if balance feels right. How can I make this theme feel modern in 2026? Use muted tones, organic balloon shapes, and minimal decor spacing. Clean styling updates the classic pumpkin theme for a fresh, modern look. Modern farmhouse approved? Like this if fresh style wins. How can I decorate the welcome area? Place a wooden welcome sign with small pumpkins and greenery around it. Adding balloon clusters in warm autumn shades creates a charming entrance display. Entrance styled? Like this if first impressions matter. How can I add rustic fall texture to the decor? Use burlap ribbon, wooden trays, woven baskets, and linen fabrics. Natural textures help create that cozy farmhouse atmosphere. Texture layered? Like this, if rustic charm wins. A little pumpkin fall baby shower in 2026 blends rustic charm with gentle seasonal beauty. With warm colors, natural textures, and thoughtful decorations, you create a celebration that feels cozy, joyful, and full of love. Loved these pumpkin baby shower ideas? Like and come back for more 2026 celebration inspiration.